kati omulimu ensaawa zino banyemu ne bassebo guli eri bajjaaji bagenda zisimanyi obaani omugwo right now.
MC tweyanza nnyo. Tugenda kulungamyamu ku ebibuuzo nga biva mu Buganda, so mwetegeke okubeera nga muwuliza ebibuuzo ebyo ate mubiddemu mu butuufu bwabyo. Okubiri tugenda kumanya ku ebifa mu nsi, current affairs, so tubasuubira okubeera nti mumanyi era mufubye okulaba nti nomunoonyereza n'okumanya buli kimu ekigwawo. Omutendera ogwokusatu mwe mugenda okubeera ebibuuzo ebifa mu ssaza oba amanya essaza lyo, so byonna ebikwata ku Kyaggwe tusuubira okubeera nti nomweteeseteese bulungi. Tugenda kufuna ebibuuzo eby'Oluganda, tugenda nakufuna ebibuuzo eby'Oluzungu. Gwa Buganda tugenda ku mutendera gwa Uganda, tugenda ku mutendera gw'e Bunaayira n'ogw'ensi yonna, so twetegekere Oluzungu, twetegekere Oluganda. Saba namba emu oveeyo osembere mu maaso. Oli bulungi? Oli otya? Olira otya?
Ndi musanyufu okuba nga ndiko wano essaawa olwaleero.
Weeteeseteese?
Ennyabo.
Kati nsaba ombuulire omwaka Ssaabasajja Kabaka mwe yazaalibwa era alina emyaka emeka?
Ssaabasajja Kabaka yazaalibwa mu mwaka ogwa 1955 era nga yawezezza emyaka 64 egy'obuto.
Tweyanza nnyo, tweyanzike. Osobola okudda.
Kale Kabaka Mutebi, omukulembeze w'Obwakabaka gwe tulina leero alina embi ez'enjawulo, naye mu zo alinamu olubiri olukulu lw'oba otubuulira.
Olubiri olwo lwe lubiri lw'Emmengo.
Noliyati ankinyabo nsaba okumbuulira Ssaabasajja Kabaka yatikkirirwawa omwaka ki?
Neeyanziza nnyo nnyabo. Ssaabasajja Kabaka yatikkirirwa ku lusozi Naggalabi omwaka gwali gwa 1993.
Bazze bakulembera Obwakabaka. Gwe tulina olwaleero ew'ekitiibwa Charles Peter Mayiga. Yakamala emyaka emeka ng'akulembera Obwakabaka?
Katikkiro aliko yakamala emyaka yakamala emyaka 13.
Tweyanziza
bisatu ebisangibwa mu Buganda.
Ebifo eby'obulambuzi 3. Ekisookera ddala lwe lubiri lwaffe
olwawa
olw'Emmengo. Amasengere
tweyanza.
Namba 6.
Wandisewo.
Kabaka bw'akisa omukulu aterekebwa mu masiro. Amasiro ge tulina olwaleero ge masiro g'e Kasubi. Naye si ge tulina gokka. Tumenyereyo amasiro amalala 2 nga gaterekebwamu bassekabaka ba Buganda.
Neenzanyisewo olw'ekibuuzo ekyo. Tulina amasiro ga Namakala,
ag'okubiri
n'amasiro agali mu Kyaggwe mu Malira nga teganatwalibwa e Kasubi.
tweyanziza.
Nsaba okumbuulira erinnya ly'ekitongole ekitwala ebyobulamuzi mu Bwakabaka bwa Buganda.
Bakiyita Buganda Heritage and Tourism
Mpa erinnya lya minisita ky'ebyobulambuzi mu Bwakabaka bwa Buganda.
Minisita atwala ebyobulambuzi mu Bwakabaka bwa Buganda bamuyita Wamala Gagamba.
Tweyanza nnyo oyo Oweekitiibwa Anthony Wamala.
Wandise.
Tetujja kwawukana nnyo ku bibuuzo etubuuziza bano.
Yesewo.
Katuddeyo ku masiro.
Yesewo.
Tuweeyo bassekabaka 2 abaaterekebwa mu masiro g'e Kasubi.
Sewo tulina Ssekabaka Mwanga, tulina ne Ssekabaka Muteesa owookubiri.
Tweyanziza.
Jessica, Buganda yakabeera ne bakabaka bameka?
Buganda yakabeera ne bakabaka 36.
Asooka y'ani?
Tulina Daudi Chwa,
Kabaka eyasooka mu Buganda ku 36 y'ani?
tulina Kinyiize Nyawomulanzi.
Tweyanza ne Kabaka Kintu.
Thank you so much for this question. The impact of peace on tourism is that if tourists discover that a country that they would love to tour or to come and visit is not peaceful at all, has wars, take an example of Ukraine, the tourists will lose interest in touring that site or that place or that country. While if they discover that the place, for example, take an example of our country, Uganda, where we've had peace and where we even have refugees come to our country, tourists really are encouraged to come and visit our places because we have peace and we are peaceful. Thank you so much.
You're fine?
I'm okay.
Oli muvubuka kituufu oba si kituufu?
Kituufu Sebo.
Muvubuka bamuyita youth mu lulimi oluzungu.
Yes.
What is the biggest challenge that youth face and how do you intend to address it both in Kyaggwe and beyond?
Thank you, Judge, for that question.
There are many problems our youth face. The first one is the youth face a problem of educating them about our culture and norms. Because most of our leaders today, they don't care. They don't take their laws to educate their youth. We face the problem of
that's the biggest challenge. So I assume you're giving me that.
yes.
Have you given me the biggest challenge? The biggest one.
The youth face a problem they face a problem of knowing our culture. That's the biggest problem. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Number 3, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
Kyaggwe seems to be happy for you.
It's a pleasure.
All right, cool. So if I have a friend of mine all the way from outside countries, once they land into our country, they land into the gateway of Buganda, which is Osiro. They will come this side and they will pass through Chadondo, which is having one of the prestigious homes, the Kabaka, tombs. And they come to your area of expertise, which is Kyaggwe. Chitufu echo?
Kituufu ssebo.
Please take me around Kyaggwe.
Thank you so much, Judge, for that question. In Kyaggwe, we have so many tourist attractions. For example, we have the Seziwa Falls and the Mubeya Falls, and these are found in the sub-county called Nyenga. And once you want to go there, let me assume you've reached Mukono. You opt to use the Ngokonje Road. You'll go straight and use the Katosi Road from Wantoni, then take the Ngokonje Road, drive through until you reach a place called Namukono. And this is where these twin rivers were born. So in this place, you'll find Mubeya Falls, which is so attractive. Another place I can take you to is the headquarters of the Saza. When you reach Mukono town, you'll drive through until you reach a clinic. It's called Sir Albert Clinic, and this is on the right-hand side as you're going to Jinja. When you reach that side, that point, just look opposite. You'll definitely see a drive-through where you'll take a route that will head you directly to Saza sub-county, rather Saza headquarters. And in this place, we also have Orubidi, which is the Orubidi Guru. It is also found at the Saza headquarters. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sending. Okay, number 4. Two of which? The leader of the beautiful Buganda kingdom is none other than the king. If you got an opportunity to have a seat or even a talk with the king, and 1 minute, just 1 minute like this, please launch your peace and tourism manifesto in 1 minute.
Thank you, Judge. My peace and tourism manifesto is all about domestic tourism. Domestic tourism, that's when people, the local people in the area, focus on touring areas in and within their area, not to go to Maction Falls and do that. So if I meet the king, I would request him to help me with my research, because right now I'm carrying out research on how I could promote my project of domestic tourism in Kyaggwe with the local people. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Let's have the next one. How are you doing today?
I'm great, thank you.
I remember the question I asked you was the 3 tourist attractions in Uganda, right?
Yeah.
I would like to bring you back to your home. Do you use social media, by the way?
Yes, I do.
Okay, WhatsApp, Twitter, what do you use? But you use social media, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's go in Kyaggwe, where you come from.
Yeah.
Give me 3 tourism attractions in Kyaggwe, and then how will you use social media to promote these tourism attractions in Kyaggwe?
Thank you so much for the opportunity. First and foremost, I'll talk about the Sevigo Falls. I'll talk about the Mario Forest. I'll talk about the twin Mbeya Falls. And I'll also talk about the to promote the tourist attractions that I've talked about by engaging fellow youth and teach them on how they can visit those sites and not only think about other things, because these tourist attractions that we see, they are more beneficial than these other things that we find. So I will make sure that I use my social media to promote them by creating various videos through marketing them. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let's have the next contestant. Look at your contestant number, please. Turn it, let's look at it. Great, number 6. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
You okay? So between you and I, there's been an argument where some people say they want to promote intercultural exchanges, where Uganda and another person, get to know each other, and out of that is what we are talking about today. In your own opinion, do you support intercultural exchange programs?
Thank you so much for that question. Yes, I would support the intercultural exchanges because it's proven that we're going to be able to promote our culture as Uganda and make other people love our culture as we do. Thank you so much.
What is that thing that you will sell most as an Uganda to other cultures?
Thank you so much for that question. One of the things I would sell out to the other tribes, maybe other countries about Uganda is our culture and norms. Uganda, we are known for being the richest, and we are known for our good norms, our morals, our appearance, the way we welcome people,
That is what I would say, because every country, every tribe requires that for us to be able to promote tourism. Thank you so much.
The next one. You were wearing black, yellow, red in your creative outfit, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
It was black, yellow, and purple.
And purple, not red.
Yes, no, it was red, yellow, and purple. Realizes the Catholic churches we have in Uganda. For example, the Catholic churches and the Protestant churches, because the masses and praying for people.
Oh, I like. Thank you so much. I like that you talk about religion, and religion is a very close element when we talk about peace. Is that true?
Yes, please.
That brings me to the same question. Give me a scenario where you had to make a difficult decision for you to attain peace for people around you.
First and foremost, I'm a Muganda. I believe in culture. If we promote culture in our societies and communities, culture promotes morals and discipline. Second of all, culture promotes unity in our societies and communities.
This year for Miss Tourism Uganda. Please note there's Miss Tourism Buganda Kingdom and there's Miss Tourism Uganda. They could be having different themes. Once again, what's our theme for Miss Tourism Uganda this year?
Still, it is on tourism and peace.
Okay, thank you. Peace and tourism is the same as tourism and peace. Is it the same?
Peace and tourism.
It's the same as tourism and peace?
Yes.
Okay, we'll have this conversation in camp if you make it your fellow people of the land about your project and connect it to the theme that you just talked about.
Okay. My project is creativity and innovation. As Miss Tourism, I think I should be very creative so that I teach or I innovate my skills like jewelry making, like crocheting, so that when I empower these young girls to do the things, we can take them to different sites or at different tourist sites with the support of the local community, the head of the tourism board, Mr. Sekawembe at the county, then the political leaders. This, like the theme, as it is peace and tourism. We can get peace from the police. I could talk to the police men. They should put security around our tourist sites. Even the project that I do have. Thank you.
I'll challenge you to have an aspect of peace in your own project, yeah?
All right.
Okay, thank you. Let's have the next one.
Welcome. Yes, sir.
Thank you for choosing not to sit this side but be in front over there. It means that you are a leader, which is a very beautiful thing. And to the rest of the people behind or on stage, thank you for becoming brand ambassadors. Takes me to the question. What qualities of a leader do you exhibit? Just give me one quality that stands out and how you intend to use that quality to promote our theme this year.
Integrity. Integrity.
someone with integrity doesn't blame other people for his or her mistake. And I intend to use that aspect to promote tourism and peace, whereby if you make a mistake, you're accountable for it. You don't blame others for it.
Thank you. Great thanks. Great. Congratulations, you're on 2 out of 5%. Simple question, so you'll answer that, and from that we shall get closer to the awards. Congratulations once again, and you're doing great, by the way. Keep this.
If you are around, please come here and we talk more before we go any further.